side of the aircraft, okay? So you'll feel the bump again, usually as the sleigh takes off from the roof.
Fancy that. Hey. It's heavy, wasn't it? Yeah.
Did anybody see him? I hope so. Keep a good lookout left and right now. I'm going to bank left. No, I can't see anything that way. Let's bank right. Have a good lookout for him. Oh, I've just spoken to air traffic control and they say on the radar he is behind us now. He's going off and now he's below us and going very fast past the aeroplane to get back to Lapland before us. He flies 3 times as fast as us at least. So he's off now and we're continuing on towards Lapland. We'll be there a long time after him. We're going to be landing in about 45 minutes. And I'll come back and give you some details of what to expect when we land in a few moments. I hope you enjoyed that. Seatbelt signs are now going back.
Wasn't that good?
To off.
Melton. What will he say in school when you tell him?
As in